So today I'm going to share travel tips to get you to your destination so you can start your travel right away. So tip number one, I only pack with a carry-on bag. The reason why I do that is you avoid the lines. You don't have to wait in the baggage claim for hours waiting, when there's a holdup. You can just take your bag right off of the flight and go. My second tip is to book an aisle seat. I am the queen of efficiency and I hate to wait around. So I always book an aisle seat. I do this a lot for work travel, but also for leisure. It means that you're the first person to get off the plane when it comes down your aisle, and you don't have to wait for anybody. When you need to go to the bathroom during the flight, you don't have to wake anybody up or bother them. But you are also the fastest to get off the plane to, again, grab that one carry-on you have and then head right to your destination. Tip number three is to bring a pen. As simple as that sounds, when you're on an international flight, I often find when they pass up the custom cards, they'll only have a few pens themselves. A lot of people don't carry pens, and you don't want to be that person who's just waiting on the plane for your neighbor. Can I use that? If you have a pen, you can fill out those papers. You don't have to wait, get through all the lines, get to the counter, find a pen, and fill it out. You already have it ready to go. So as soon as you get them, you hand them the paper, you're out the door. Tip number four is to get global entry. I love global entry because it has all of the perks of having TSA pre-check, except it carries over to international. It's only $15 more than if you were to apply for pre-check. And the difference, instead of domestic, it covers you internationally. Global entry costs $100 and it covers you for about 5 years and gives you pre-check and faster lines. You don't have to separate your liquids from your carry-on, and again, that's a huge investment. If you know that you're going to be traveling internationally, or that you know that you love to travel and you don't want to wait the time it takes, that's a savings in itself. I think it's totally worth it. As a little bonus tip, you can actually go ahead and apply and schedule your interview. Even if it's like a few months away, a lot of times there's kind of a wait. If you're coming back from an international flight and you already have something scheduled, a good tip hack is to actually go to the global entry office on the way back in and you will get approved. My fifth and final tip would be to travel and order some foreign currency before you leave for your trip. So a couple weeks in advance, order it from your bank and travel with like maybe a couple hundred. Really depends on your budget. And the reason why I do this is because as soon as I get to my destination, sometimes there's countries where you need cash right away. They don't take card, or you need to pay for a taxi. So many other reasons and little things, any emergencies that come up that you don't have to right away get to an ATM. And I think later on you can, but first thing coming into a new country, I think it's really handy to have like $200, $300 of their foreign currency, just as an extra protection. And again, you don't have to waste time at an exchange office or something when you could just be going on to your travels.